Hello students, today we will be discussing the warming up and English workshop exercise of lesson 1.3 Have you ever seen? Open your textbook to page 12. Before we start this topic on homograph, we will see what is homograph. Homograph is derived from two words, homo plus graph. Homo means same and graph means writing or spelling. Words that have same spelling but differ in meaning when used in different contexts are called homographs. For example, a temple fair attracts a lot of crowd. Here the word fair stands for fun fair. Her performance in the test was fair. That means not very good. Second example, a rose is the king of flower. Here the word rose stands for a kind of flower. The sun rose with a golden glow. Here the word rose is the past tense of rise. Think of 5 homographs and list them below in the table given and write 2 sentences of your own to bring out the differences in meaning. The first homograph is the word BOW. The sentence frame using this word is bow and arrow, bow your head. The second homograph word is WIND. The wind blew, wind your watch. The third homograph word is LIVE. I live in a flat. Second example, a live wire. Second question, when words with the same spelling or pronunciation are used in such a way that they convey more than one meaning, the figure of speech involved is called pun. A pun is a play upon words. It gives a humorous effect. For example, A. Hello, how's life? B. Hell, oh, it's a strife. Find other example of pun with the help of your parents or teacher. First example, what we refuse to eat is thrown off as refuse. Second example, he kept his spirit up by pouring his spirit down. Question number 3. In poetry, when a question is asked, not to get an answer but to emphasize a point or fact, it is an example of interrogation. For example, when can their glory fade? Isn't it time for the autumn's glow? From a popular book of poems or the internet, write down 3 or 4 examples of interrogation used in poetry. First example, is life worth living? That depends upon the liver. How can you sharpen your shoulder blades? Page number 13, English workshop. First question, from each line in the poem, pick out the word that is homograph, write its meaning in the context of the phrase used in the poem, then write the other meaning implied in the question. In the first stanza, the word bed is a piece of furniture, bottom of the river, sea, etc. Second word is head, part of a body, top of hammer. Third word foot, part of the body, base of a mountain. Fourth word hose, a piece of clothing worn on the legs like a stocking. an instrument used in the garden to water plant. In the second stanza, the first word is eye, part of the body, tiny opening on the top of the needle. Second word is wing, part of a building, body part of a bird. Third word is ribs, part of human body, parts of the umbrella that support the curve. Fourth word is trunk, part of a tree, a box that is used to store articles. Third stanza, the first word is teeth, part of human body, a gardening tool. Second word is hands, part of human body, parts of a clock. Third word is plot, a land area, a wicked or cruel plan. Fourth word is bark, part of a tree, sound of a dog. Question number 2. Write 2 lines from this poem which you find most humorous. Justify your choice. First, does the needle ever wink its eye? Because the thought that putting thread through its eye will make it wink. Second example, why doesn't the wing of a building fly? Because imagining a building flying with its wing. Third question, find from the poem 3 examples of each of the following figure of speech. First, interrogation. A. Does the needle ever wink its eye? B. Why doesn't the wing of a building fly? C. And what is the sound of the birch bark? Second, pun. A. Has the foot of a mountain any toes? B. And is there a pair of garden hose? C. Can you tickle the ribs of a parasol? Third, personification. Does the needle ever wink its eye? B. Are the teeth of a rake ever going to bite? C. Can you tickle the ribs of the parasol? Alliteration. A. A single hair from a hammer's head. B. Open the trunk of a tree at all. C. Can the garden plot be deep and dark? Question number 4. Form groups of 4 or 5. Think, discuss and add at least one more stanza using the same style and device as the poet has used. It should include homographs, interrogation and the same rhythm and rhyme scheme. Children, you can do this as homework. Question number 5. Read the following sentences carefully, then fill in the blanks using appropriate words from the bracket to make puns. Words are struck, numbered, too tired, developed, put down, homeless, old-fashioned, reaction. The first sentence, she had a photographic memory but never developed it. Second, he was struggling to figure out how lightning works when it struck him. Third, every calendar's day are numbered. Fourth, a bicycle cannot stand on its own because it is too tired. Fifth, I am reading a book on anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down the book. Sixth, I'll tell you a history joke, but I know I wouldn't get a reaction. 7. What do you call Watson when Sherlock isn't around homeless? 8. I would tell a history joke, but it's too old-fashioned. Thank you.